Guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to withdraw from gold mining. So we are already in the gold mining help desk center right here, and to withdraw your tokens from a virtual wallet they have a guide for you. So I'm gonna explain it to you guys in an easier way. So you want to go to your gold mining wallet section right here. So from here you want to go to your wallet and gold mining. So here you want to press withdraw, and then once you enter your gold mining address, of course you want to withdraw this, and you want to make sure of course that you have the right address. And from there you can see the minimum withdrawal amount for your ERC20 network is going to be 500, and for BEP20 network you're going to have 100 gold mining as your limited quantity network tokens that you can withdraw. So from here you will see that you'll be able to actually withdraw it. So you'll have a withdrawal request, you'll place your own address here, and the network, you must check if they are congruent with each other, if they're correct, and then from there you will have to enter the go mining amount, and then from there you will be able to actually just withdraw it with a confirmation code sent to your email. And there you go guys, that is how you actually withdraw money from gold mining. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.